Using American Express points for flights is a great way to maximize the value of your rewards. Here's how to do it. Log into your Amex account. Go to the American Express website or mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Access membership rewards. Navigate to the membership rewards section. This is where you can view your points balance and explore redemption options. Visit Amex Travel. Go to the Amex Travel portal, which can be found within the membership rewards section. This portal allows you to book flights, hotels, and other travel services using your points. Search for flights, enter your travel details, including departure and arrival cities, travel dates, and the number of passengers. The portal will display available flight options. Select your flight, browse through the flight options and select the one that best suits your needs. Pay attention to the points required for each flight. Choose payment method. During the checkout process, you will have the option to pay with points, your Amex card, or a combination of both. Select the amount of points you want to use. Confirm booking. Review your flight details and confirm the booking. You will receive a confirmation email with your flight information. Transfer points to airline partners. Alternatively, you can transfer Amex points to one of Amex's airline partners. This can sometimes provide better value, especially for international or premium class flights. Go to the transfer point section, select the airline, and follow the instructions to transfer points.